Now, using the stowable loading ramps on this thing is also very, very straightforward. If we look at the key fob, there's a button at the very bottom. Pressing that button is going to give you access to that emergency access key. You'd use that in order to be able to unlock the truck if the power is dead, or you'd be using it in order to be able to unlock the stowable loading ramps, the lock that's here. So if we look here, let's zoom in so you can see a little bit closer. So as you can see, popping this off, we've got a little lock. So we're just going to take that emergency access key. We're going to insert it here and rotate. There we go. And as you can see, it's popped off there. And then all we're going to do is literally just feed this lock through and pull it and crank out. So that's going to unlock it. We're going to do that for both the left and the right side, so the driver and passenger side. Now, there's also two of these clips. There's one at the front. There's one at the back as well. We need to unscrew these also. So, lefty-loosey, we're just going to go counterclockwise. In order to be able to remove that. So, looking towards the front of the actual truck itself. So, as you can see, we've got another one of these clips, but we've also got a safety clip in the back. In order to remove the safety clip, very straightforward. All we're going to do is push the clip towards the back of the truck, I should say, and that's going to take it off. We can just drop that down to the side and then remove the secondary clip again. Same thing, we're just going to go counterclockwise here in order to be able to unscrew. And there you go. And as you can see, the ramp itself is fully removable. Let's go set it up. All right, from here, so what we're going to do, we're just going to grab this and move it out. So the ramp itself is going to be stored in this position. But if we take a peek, just on this one side here, as you can see, there's a little groove. Far side of that doesn't have it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the part with the groove in the tongue. So we're just going to take this grooved part here, and we're just going to slide it into place there. All right, now along the far side, as you can see, we've got a little pin. So all we're going to do is pull that pin out, and then we're just going to crank this out as far as we need it. There we go. As you can see, it's now locked into place there. And all we're going to do is take it, and we're just going to drop it down. As you can see, we've got loading ramp number 1 done. So it is a very, very simple process in order to be able to have those loading ramps go. By putting the ramp back, essentially the same idea, just in reverse. So we're just going to pick this up. We're going to pull that pin out, slide this back in. There we go. And from here, we're just going to remove it from that groove. Rotate. What's that?
That's what you're delivering?
Yeah, exactly. It's stowable loading ramps, which I've never seen on a truck before, so I'm shooting a video to kind of explain to him how it's done.
Where did they come from?
What's that?
Where did they come from?
The videos?
No.
Oh, the ramps, it was done from the factory.
Oh, this is a factory option?
Yeah. But I'd never seen it on a truck before, so I was just kind of interested in how it works, but it's a...
This is a factory option.
Yeah. Pretty cool, right?
I've never seen that ever.
Yeah, exactly. So it's all locked in here, and then they actually have to use the emergency access key in order to be able to get this thing off as well.